towards the national park. It's fucking amazing. Yeah, just me and the guide on board. Not a lot of people around. It's great. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have some very, very good pictures and video to look at. Yeah, I think we can, you and I can come back here, no problem. Very good country. Although the food might be a bit of an issue. You know, they're meat eaters. They love their meat. Any kind of meat. And, you know, kind of weird fish too. Yeah. They like the eel and crazy stuff. Wow. It's amazing. Holy crap. What a scenery. Oh, I'm enjoying it. But yeah, no, it's nice to hear your voice. Tonight, well, when you get up, whenever you get up, we'll be in a place where there will be internet so we can chat further. And I should let you go to bed and enjoy the kitties and try to recuperate. You must be so tired. Yeah. All right. Well, okay. Well, you go to sleep and we'll talk when you get up. Okay. Love you.